just because thina asikwazi ukuthi sikhale sizwakale. Government ya South Africa esimamele ifuna ukuzwa nix. Izwa labantu babe baletha le benefit ngabo in ama companies outside. Mina ubaba makana company outside. I have nothing to lose. I will show everybody where I live. I will show everybody the skill that I have. I'm in retire. I do lashes. Mina I'm trying my best to pina kule economy nzima. Le 100 rand ngithengile mina ngazi ukuthi ngithenga impilo. Ne 350 ngitholi mina. Ngithola twice or once a year. I don't depend on 350. They're calling us lazy ngaleso sikhathi. We are fighting the same skills nathi lesinazo nabo. Baba veza bakhala baphepha abantwana bama-plastic na. Nathi sinabo abantwana sizasazali yabona sibethu ba-overwhelmed ey'bhedlela la. Yibo bayazala nje bayazala basebenzisa ama-taxpayers money. It's taxpayers money. Oh God damn it. We are tired. Go home guys, go home. We are tired. Nathi siyakhala ubuhlungu siyasokona sihlala emikhukhwini. I have nothing to lose mina futhi angiqanga kuzo komuntu. I have nothing to lose. This government is not taking us serious. Mawuthi uthola umsebenzi is a piece job ingama contracts after that kuphelile uyahlala futhi uyalinda futhi uyabheka kudwa silazy siyahamba siyagijima zamakethe umsebenzi umsebenzi wasema-restaurant futhi asichajwa thina sisamakethe lapho. Sesifuna sigijimisela wona lo we-government kuthiwa kuvela amapost abantu abayi-4 siya millions siyofola lapha sifuna nokusebenza. Today khona abantu abakwazi ukuvela ku-media. They are demanding answers. They are demanding protection. They are demanding the government. They're the one that is failing us to protect us. They must protect you. Who are you? Like I don't man. Serious. This is making me so angry. I'm angry. As a South African, I'm very angry. I don't want to lie. This is very painful. People are acting tears of crocodile on this mainstream media. SABC wamasimba umnuka. Niseko bobani nina nibukelwa bobani nina SABC bakhona. Ema-TV la isenzi yonke lento le. Gqithe kumele sikhokhe yonke lento le. At the same time niseta nabantu ekumele ngabe sisidila nama-issues thina la. Nina ni-expose amanga nibonisa umhlaba amanga ngathi. Why are you spreading lies about our nation? We are overwhelmed. Ungabona i-youth engasebenzi la. Ungabona i-youth sonke sothi ilanga la. Bafanele ukuthi basibize lazy. Bafuze vele ukuthi basibize lazy because of this. The sickness. Sihlalele nje la. Nalo ma-customer I get 1-2 customers a month. 1-2 what am I eating? Sakela ngani nje. Economy nzima kanje ukuthi siyabajelasela ngathi izinto zabe zi-illegal abazenzayo la. Thina masisebenza, the law of South Africa only applies to South Africans. Umthetho wala iqala ukubuza yinto esiyidome singafundanga vele ngisho ukuthi asiyidome. Umuntu wazi ngicela ngi-explainela ukuthi umthetho usebenza makuyithi kuphela na. Thina we can't do all these things they are doing. We can't do illegal shit here. We can't do it. Wathi wabosha uboshiwe. Awukona amalungelo la eSouth Africa. Umuntu ongaphansi namalungelo ukundlula mina la eSouth Africa. Siyabajelasela ngezinto abazenzayo. Ba-achievile. Abantu achieve le emakini guys. Go and achieve at your place, your home place. Angeke. Hayibo. Guys. No. This is very unacceptable. Sikhathele, we are overwhelmed. Sikhathele. Sikhathele. Siyakhala. Sikhala niswed. Yo. I can't even begin to explain. Let alone I think nomuntu ohlakaniphile oyesikolweni intellectualists. I think thina siphila in poverty. We live in poverty. Abantu bayakwazi ukudimanda abalisasizwe le South Africa awasebenzele bona ngoba ama-politicians ayakhile ngale abakhe ama-company asibhenefiti ngalokho thina lawo ma-company asibhenefita ngale siza ngani. No man, no. We can't allow this to be a banana county just because abanye abantu they are eating kunyathela phezu kwethu. Kuyafana nokuthi amandla wethu lama-politicians abadlayo kunyathelela kathina musla thina mele siphile ngani. I want to make a separate video showing you where I stay, what I do to survive. But what about guys? The politicians that are protecting, they must all go together and settle wherever they are, the open companies. Kunzima nokuthi to empower us. Kunzima. Siyaqala reyiponela kuretswana le dikhutsana abantu basinambatswadi. Abantu basinambatswadi rona le hayi ndaba rona. No. Kale bo haholo ntate ngizomthuluza le bo. Manje sinta kale bo. Ntate phakela umthaka kale bo. Ubona ntwe le yetsang bo. Kale bo haholo. Ekare le utlwile batho bona a sa utlwale re fa ba le bua ka bana ha tshwana no motho a mamelang mara foreigner re hlaela TV. South Africa is xenophobic. How the government is even failing us. So it's gitimisele lona. Right guys. Don't bapala ka rona ba le letso gore ha ka go dare. You are lazy, whatever you name us, call us whatever you want, just go home. Uyasipetlele clinicing ke lona
ethu ingane zakwethu wefo lalana yazini sisenjeni la bafowethu yezwa yini bafowethu yazini asokhalelwa abafazi kanje bafowethu ngeke bafowethu yazini bafowethu yabona indaba yokugxekana manje ukuthi ubani wavotela ini omunye wavotela ini wakhuzwa ini asingabe saya lapho ke manje bafowethu yezwa vele thina osopolitiki balelizwe bafowethu bonke the hobos bafowethu yezwa abanendaba nathi yabo, they working for the system. Labantu bondla ingane zabo bafowethu for system support them, system is feeding them. So bafowethu yazini bafowethu asukumeni bafowethu imashi and mashi iyona ezosisiza bafowethu yabona. Yabo bafowethu mina ngiyangishaya ukuthi anginayo imali yokuya lapho kuhlangene khona insizwa. Mina ngiyaqisha mina ukuthi nje manje umuntu mayishawa isimo ngaleso sikhathi isimo sisuke sikushaya. Kodwa ke manje yabona ke bafowethu yazini mina I suggest ukuthi wonke umuntu ngakubo ke thina sihamba ngeenyawo. Yabona thina singenamali bafowethu uma kukhona abantu bokuhamba bafowethu no abakhishwe abatshela ukuthi i30 seyifikile abaqalise manje bepheke behambe. Yabona ngisho lama shop esithembele kuba bafowethu they must go. They must go bafowethu yazini sizohlanyela abafazi lana sohlatshelwa azokhalela abafazi kanjena bafowethu and bekhala into ekhona serious uze umuntu mayikhuluma la ukuthi ubeka ama valid point bafowethu emafemini bafowethu yabona emafemini la khona amaPakistani yonke lento lokho ngamayini amaSomalia konke lokho okusebenza emafemini ongamandiya lokho kungasile bafowethu akutshela ukuthi akupheke and go. And then ama companies lana amafemu la aqashe lezi zinto lezi nama workshop lapho kusebenza khona lezi zinto lezi zokufika kulelizwe bafowethu ayivalo lezi zinto makushaya i30 abahamba beyotshelwa politely kusemanje ukudlalela lana wena ngithi you own this workshop usebenza la workshop you feeding your children from the workshop and then you using abantu bokufika kulelizwe lalelanga sicela wenze njengamanje bonke babhuka iexit ubabhukela ukuthi yabaxosha yonke into uphelile umsebenzi because once wafika i30 ungayenzile leyo nto we will close down this thing and then sizo fight against wena ukuthi siqebule le certificate sakho sikunika ilungelo lokuthi ube ngaphansi kwe black empowerment because laba abantu laba they under black empowerment because of us voting for laba hobo laba ukuthi abahobo bebe ma position labo hobo laba abasicabangeli labo hobo laba the only time abacabanga khona when they fit ingane zabo labo hobo laba becabangezisa njengembongolo asokhala abafazi kanje nesikhathi sokugxeka iANC akuphele manje asiyeke iANC uhobo udoti abanyana nje udoti le nto leyana siyeke manje into ofuna siyenze thina bafowethu le support march and march umuntu nomuntu ngakuba akube khona futhi nina abantu besimameni nizofuna sikume phambili sizolandela thina ya siyazi makusukuma nina kusuke sekonakena asokhala abafazi kanje na thina kebona ingane abazoyizala mangabe ukuthi bazokhala kanje labafayi bethu no bafowethu this is so painful bafowethu it's so painful bafowethu ngiyabona manje ngiyalungisa into zami ngiyaqeda ukulungisa into zami ngiye-Richards Bay ngizoye-Richards Bay ama workshop lana asetshenzelwa abantu bokufika azoba nenkinga I'm gonna liberate nami abantu bangifika lapha ya no bafowethu whether we Khalathi noma India funa silwe against this thing yabona and then our brothers and sisters those are the Indian companies those laba abaqasha lezi zinto zokufika who hires labantu bokufika they must stop it now those companies that owned by Indians and other guys they must stop lento yokuthi beqashe abantu bokufika amalokungana ama-Pakistans they must go before i30 because ngeyi30 bazosibona ukuthi singobani no nasokhalela abafazi bethu kanjena thina no shuthi is useless phela thina shuthi ngamadoda useless thina no bafowethu umuntu nomuntu akavale ngakubo hayi nami ngizoqala ngisukume la ndaweni yakithi ngisondele lokho amandiya ngithi uzwile ngeyi30 kuthiwa niyavala lalela akayingafiki i30 no senale shop la that means la nokola kubekwe khona lama container they must think twice ukuthi bayaxosha bakhipha lama container or else bahambe nalamandiya no bafowethu nizwe lethu liyafa bafowethu izwe lethu liyafa bafowethu if we don't uma singasukumi manje bafowethu ngeke siphinde sisukume these people they must go if ukuthi sihlupheka let us sihlupheke ezweni lethu sisodwa so that we can fix our own country no bafowethu no bafowethu no hayi no man
We are not lazy. The youth of South Africa is not lazy. People in South Africa are not lazy. You just don't have a choice. You are taking the bare minimum. You are undercharging. You are going for this low pay because you don't have a choice. But the youth of this country hasn't even been given the opportunity because you guys have already taken everything. Our parents don't have an opportunity because you guys have already taken everything and you're controlling everything. So we are not lazy. You just don't have a choice. We are not lazy. The youth of South Africa is supposed to be working in restaurants while they are studying. Restaurants are full. There's no vacancies. The youth of this country is supposed to be gaining experience while studying. There are no opportunities because everything has been filled by people who are accepting less. So they have been refused even a chance or an opportunity. Everything is full. Everything is full. Everywhere is full. So we are not lazy. We can't get the jobs we want because now we can be told, no, we can't afford you because they already know there's another person waiting in line who's willing to take less and to be exploited. So no, we are not lazy. South Africans are studying, they are graduating. So they are not lazy. But you have taken away the options that this country is supposed to offer its youth. And that's what South Africans are saying. But if your response is going to be that we are lazy, that we are unemployable, that we are not dedicated, that we are not serious because we're refusing peanuts. If foreigners were not taking over everything, people have a choice to force the system to abide. When I go for an interview and I know that I'm qualified for this job, my chances of getting this job are 80%. But you guys have taken the 80% away from us. Because now, if I know what I'm worth, they know someone who's willing to take less. If I want to start a business, I can go into a shop because you guys are running a monopoly in the shop systems. You take a building, you break it into small mini shops. That's why your buildings are being destroyed. Your structures are being collapsed. It's not legal. It's not that we don't want shops. But you guys have come with your own ways. Foreigners have come to open shops to employ more foreigners to pay them less. That is not the economy, and that's not how you build an economy of a country. Don't piss us off by calling us lazy. You just don't have an option. You are coming here, you are taking everything you're offered. But here in South Africa, people are training themselves, they are preparing themselves, they are studying to qualify for what this country has promised them. They are not lazy, but you are taking away their options.
Yabona abafana bakithi engifisa ukusho kusuka manje asingabe sahlehla kusuka manje. Yabona lo 30 June obekiwe, ayi bafowethu, ayi umuntu akathathe noma yinani ayazi ukuthi isona sikhali sakhe sokulo. Siyolwa bafowethu, sisempini lo kwangempela, sisempini. Akwazi ukuthi abantu bangaphandle bangathi bela besukume bona kube yibona bateleka bathi asiyindawo, why nithi asihambe asiyindawo. No government wethu simthembile nayo enze ngendlela yakhe. Hayi no bafana bakithi, hayi ngicabanga ukuthi nje bafowethu isikhathi manje sokuthi singehlele ngenzansi, asibambe kanje bafowethu. Kufiwe emakufiwa bafowethu, akufiwe emakufiwa bafowethu, asibambe nje kanje straight. Ngeke phela bafowethu, asingabe nje sahlehlele emuva manje, yabona manje ithi 30 lo bekiwe. Ayi bafana bakithi, hayi akumane kucace bafowethu ukuthi liyachitheka, malichitheka ngeke phela kulibale kuncengwana bafowethu, ngeke nje kulibale kuncengwane bafowethu, ngoba manje sifuna ukusala silungisa izwe lethu. Asikwazi ukulungisa izwe lethu kunabantu bangaphandle abala. And yazi lento abantu abaningi ba-interpreta wrong. And kungiphatha kabuhlungu ukuthi khona abantu bangaphandle abala ngokusemthethweni, abala ngokumthetho, ebazosebenza, abala ngeemvume zokuthi bazosebenza lokho ku serious. Labo bantu nabo bama nalabo abantu bathi xenophobic sinjani. Engabe yibona abatshela labantu ukuthi no bafowethu hambani nibuyele emazweni enu. Nabo kufuze abasesayidini lethu because lento siyisho kahle. Sithi la ngokungemthetho It's not like sithi wonke umuntu wangaphandle. Sithi ola ngokungemthetho. Bazazi abantu abala ngokungemthetho. And lento mina bafethu ngiphatha kabuhlungu ngoba khona abanye abantu abala abala ngokungemthetho bazozama impilo bayishizilela njengoba sonke sishizila kodwa sebawonelwe yilabo abanye abala ngokuzomosha. Ayisebabonele kakhulu bafethu. Yabo lento ukuthi ningakhuzani ubone omunye umuntu wakini enza wrong unganaki ukuthi hayi I mind my own business, I mind my business. Iyona le bafaka la namhlanje. Yabo. So nje bafethu kusukela manje bafethu asingabe sisahlehlele emuva bafethu. Asingabe sisahlehlele. Yabo uma sike sayibayekela kwamanje, uma sike sahlehlele emuva kusukela manje. Yaphinde sayiyeka lento sesiqalile. Hayi bafana izobe ngeke iphinde ilunga lento. Isona sikhathi lesi. Futhi uma zithi 30 June engicabanga ukuthi kumele sikwenze kumele sivimbeke manje akasekho umuntu emsebenzini by that time. Akasekho umuntu ozobe elindele ukuthi agibele itaxi yena athi yena uye emsebenzini yena uyagoduka uya kephi simosha kwasane. Akekho umuntu ozobe kumele nje kusukela mhla ka 30 June shut down yonke into sidila nalabantu. Akekho umuntu othi hey mina ngiyosebenza ngisebenzela izingane zami. Ayikho leyo nto. Akekho umuntu kusukela mhla ka 30 June ukuzomela ukuthi athi yena hayi ngiyosebenza hayi mina ngihlangana nalezi zinto. Hey azikhale ngampela ke nje manje kulethi ngampela. Yazi sengivele nganyanya kakhulu mangibona labantu betelekile lapha. Sengivele nganyanya kakhulu nje futhi le ANC amasimbe esihlanganyela nezithi yabo iANC bafowethu qhubekani nivotele kodwa amasimbe eqembu lawa. Abo mina ngiMK angisho ukuthi votelani iMK kodwa iANC isemandleni, IFP isemandleni, yini DA isemandleni bese kuzoba lamasimba ayiAFF lawa akhulunywa uMalema laphana. Hey bafowethu hayi bafowethu votani impela sinamona kodwa nje kula maqembu ngicabanga ukuthi khona umuntu ophila kahle la osayosukuma ethi uhambeni ukhankasela iANC asukuma athi yena ukhankasela iIFP benzani nabo basemandleni yini abayenzayo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. There's a viral video lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana yasesilokhala kukhala kabuhlungu ngokuthi ma-foreigners awafuni kuhamba eSouth Africa ngokuthi government yethu is protecting foreigners futhi bayahlala bakhuluma but no one cares about ma-South Africans. Our government doesn't care ma-foreigners alwa nema-South Africans. Ma-comment under le video yalusisi lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana Nkosi yami, people were saying ukuthi bagraduate boma 2010 still abawutholi imisebenzi. Guys, the comments are just like so heartbreaking because people are crying. People are saying this issue illegal immigrants in South Africa iyaba affects like big time. They can't even be hired because kuqashwa abantu bokufika ababadala imali encane bona abaqashi bona bagraduate but abawutholi imisebenzi. People are saying ukuthi South Africans are lazy kusho ama-foreigners, and people are saying because we are not lazy because we are studying, we are going to universities, is graduate but asiyitholi imisebenzi because niyazivimbela niyazivalela baqasha ngoba bayadi ukuthi indawo vuma kuthatha noma ngabe ngiliphi peanuts labaniphosela lona. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.